Hello guys, do you want to earn $100 a day? In this video, I will show you how you can earn $100 or way more than that by using Google Map. And you have to initially find out some business and you have to give them some resolution. And by being middleman, you will be able to generate $100 of income every single day. So make sure you watch the full video to get the whole concept. If you are new to my channel, I am Tapesh from Tapesh Chaudhary, and in this channel I create videos on making money online, affiliate marketing, working from home, and different other cool stuff. So make sure you hit this subscribe button and also press on bell icon so that whenever I post new videos, you are the first person who can get notifications of that. So without making delay, let's get started.
In this video, I'll show you step-by-step process by which you can earn good amount of money, nearly around $100 to $150 per day from Google. We have to use Google Map so that we can find our businesses in our local region. Okay, so for that you have to go to Google Map, and it can be worked in any niche, any business. So our main target is to targeting local business. For example, if you are staying in Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore, whatever, okay, so you have to target small business owners. Okay, so if you just simply search like a dentist near me, you will get lot of businesses. Okay, in the same way it can go for any way, any niche, like tattoo artist near me, or you can give any area's name like tattoo artist in Delhi, tattoo artist in Bangalore. So you will get lot of business profiles. Okay, so if we just not only tattoo artist, anything, it will work for any single thing, like salons near me. So we have to get some of the details from some of the details of our local business. Okay, so after that we will get all the business listings in Google Map. So initially what we have to do, we have to go to last or couple of later pages so that we can find the listings which is not that much visible on Google's first page. Okay, so after going to this kind of business pages, just click on this business profiles. Just click on this kind of business profile, so you will get one kind of window where you will get all the informations. So our main target is we need to hook up those, we need to catch those business owners, those people who don't have any website. See, for example, this business owner, they don't have any website. If you can see, simply it is not updated in Google business. Okay, so we need to target this kind of business owners. So you will get call phone number or address somewhere here. Okay, so for this listing, it is no, maybe phone number is not updated. Let's try our something different where we can find the phone number, and as well as they won't have any what is called website. So this business, so they have the phone number. Yeah, for example, this one, this is the perfect one what we want. So this is the small business, and this person has given the phone number, and as well as he don't have any website. So initially what we have to do, we have to target this kind of business owners who don't have website, or maybe they have website but it's too much old, or if they have website, they are not promoting on various social medias. So we have to sell our services. So this is the way you can find leads. Okay, so similarly, if you call 10 people per day, at least out of 10, one people will get agreed to make website from you. Okay, so for that, what you have to do, you have, once you get an order from this clients, so you have to go to one website that is called as Fiverr. So in Fiverr, you will get lot of people who will do the work for you. So for example, if we just simply search WordPress website, we will get lot of sellers who will do the work for us. Okay, in Fiverr the price is very less, and it is starting from $5. If you see, after going to any services, like for example, it is for WordPress website, you can do the same thing for Facebook campaign or Twitter promotion, Instagram promotion, anything. You will get lot of sellers, and there are good number of sellers who are selling their services in very good prices. Okay, so initially if we go to the pricing section, we want somewhere in the range of $30 to $35 $50. Okay, so that we just don't have to pay much of money to the sellers to get the work done. And of course, the whole thing depends upon the criteria of the client, what kind of website he needs. So the whole thing you have to take care while you are placing an order. So for example, this person, he is charging $30, and he has got couple of good ratings, so we can hire this person to develop our website. So this is different, it's not this gig is not to develop website. So I just, for an example, I have opened this one. So I have I'll create, yeah, this will be the perfect, I think. The $35, the person is charging $35 and he has 4.9 rating and then 2 number of ratings. But make sure you go for those kind of sellers who has good reputation, because ultimately it will going to hamper you if the person is not able to deliver up to the mark as per the promised details. Okay, so you can contact and you can initially just ask regarding the promotion, regarding the criteria, what all things he need, and after that, once the deal has been finalized, you can take the order from Google Map and you can place to Fiverr. Okay, so I'll give you the link of Fiverr in the description. You can use it for your own business as well, and as well as to hire peoples. Okay, so initially those people who has business, so who has business, they need to have a website. And yeah, people are getting much more educated. You have to just show them that you can do the, you can improve their business, you can improve their customer visibility, their business visibility, then people will buy from you. You have to just convince. And initially when I started my career, I used to call this kind of numbers, or if they are available on Facebook, I used to go to Facebook and directly reach them over the Facebook or call, whatever. So initially you can reach to business owners by sending some of the proposals. You can make one website and it will help you to create your own branding. So initially, to create a website, you have to go to bluehost.com and you will get free domain and free SSL certificate. I will give you the link of this website in the description. You can just check it out. And you have to create a website, and it's super easy to install WordPress, just because of they are providing one click WordPress installation service. It's awesome. And you can initially create your website within 1 or 2 hours. Just you need to browse some of the drag and drop tool in Bluehost. That's super easy. Okay, so you have to build your own brand. You can build your own website as a developer, or maybe as a digital consultant, that you are providing Facebook campaign, digital marketing services, website designing services, and so other things. So it will create your brand. It will create a good impression in front of your clients whom you are going to propose. Okay, so initially you will get lot of business which don't have any website. So you have to just search it out in Google Map. You can try it for any businesses, and after that you have to come with the order, and you have to place the order. Okay, so once the person has delivered, you can inform that seller, inform that person, the client, that your work has been done, and you can take the money. And after taking the money, you just give your share to this person. So being a middleman of the whole process, you are earning good amount of money. So that's pretty cool, right? So initially, for the time being, you have to work really hard. You have to send 10 to 12 proposals per day to different business owners, so that at the end of the month you have a good amount of list in your hand, and you can follow up for next month as well. And please make sure one people, or like if you are reaching to one business owner with one proposal, they might not agree. You have to keep on following up. You have to keep on calling them, and after a certain time they will get agree to your point, because you are helping them to build their business, and everyone wants to grow their business. So these are all pretty much everything you can get clients, you can deliver the project, and by being a middleman you can earn good amount of money. For example, you are taking you are charging $200 from this particular client or some other client. Okay, so initially, for example, if I take maximum, like if you are giving $100 to create this website, by being a middleman you can earn $100 straight away. So you are taking 200 from this client and you are giving $100 to this particular seller. So, and you, by being a middleman, you are earning $100 without doing any work. So it's pretty good to start as of now. If you want to start making money online, so you have to sell your services. So by using Google Maps you can earn good amount of money. So make sure you start doing the whole work from today itself to get best results, because people are earning good amount of money.
I hope I was able to give value in this video, and by finding some businesses, you can take any business. It can be saloon, doctor, it can be dentist, it can be a lawyer, it can be anything, and a bakery, it can be any business. You need to find businesses on Google Map. Okay, so after finding the business, you have to just check out whether they have website, or if they have website, if they are doing actively promotions on Facebook. So you have to give them digital services. So if you are able to provide them a good services, people will remain a long time customer for you. Okay, because those people who are handling with websites, or those people who promote their business online, they will need a partner, they will need an online partner who can always support in their digital needs. Maybe it may be a campaign, it may be maintaining a website, it may be updating some details on their website. So they don't have that much time to update by going to backend, or doing some extra work which is not even worth of their time. So they will hire some different people who will going to give services for their digital marketing. It might be website issues, or it might be anything. Okay, so you have to be loyal to your customers, you have to be very genuine to your clients, then only you can generate a good amount of money by solving their issues, by serving them the digital services. It might be SEO, it might be website, it might be like Instagram marketing, digital marketing, Facebook marketing, and different other lot of stuffs. So I think I was able to give much more information how the business works and how you can build your brand. So make sure you just get one website for your own brand and it will help you to give a face to your look, you give a face to your business, and it will also give you some reputation in the society, in the community, because you are doing good job. Okay, so once you start getting some clients, you will get lot of clients. Because if you have to give if you give good amount of value, if you give them good services, they will promote your services without your permission, without your knowledge itself, by word of mouth. Okay, so for example, you have a friend and you got someone who did your work website, or who has built an app for you. So if your friend asks the bro from where you have got the idea, or maybe who has created the website, so you can refer, right, that I have a guy who is doing all the works for me. And the same way it goes everywhere. Okay, word of mouth is very powerful in today's business, and if you are giving good services, people will talk about you. So I hope I was able to clear whole concept in this time. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like this video and also subscribe to my channel. And if you are new to this channel, please welcome to our community, because I create videos on every single day on making money online, working from home, and different other cool stuff. So thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye.